Well, good evening. Welcome back to KARE 11 News at 5. We do have a tornado warning that has just been posted in Meeker County. It is a radar-indicated tornado, so the National Weather Service is watching these cells develop, and they are seeing some rotation in the one here in Meeker County. It is moving to the northeast at 35 miles an hour, and it is going to be continuing to progress to the north and east. It looks as though it'll move just north of the metro, but again, some rotation with this cell in Meeker County, and again, it is moving to the north and east at 35. As we kind of zoom in, you can see it's right over Litchfield, right over Greenleaf, and it is moving to the north and east. Potentially, there could be some rotation here at the southern portion of that cell. These cells have now become cellular, which means there is the potential that there could be some isolated tornadoes and also some hail up to around quarter size. We have a lot of weather going on tonight. We have this tornado warning across the region. As you see here, here is the estimated time of arrival for this cell. Moving through Dassel by 5:31, possibly the moving up toward the Annandale area by 5:54, and then heading toward Buffalo by 6:09, eventually to St. Michael at 6:27. So this cell is potentially producing a tornado, not confirmed by any spotters, but the Weather Service is seeing some rotation with this cell in particular. We also have a watch out for the entire region until 10 o'clock tonight, and there is the potential that any of these cells could pop up and produce that hail and those strong winds, and as I mentioned earlier, an isolated risk of a tornado. We are also watching the scenario that has unfolded over the last few hours. To our north, the cells that developed this morning just haven't moved. And so we have actually a flash flood warning out for most of northern Minnesota. Look at this, all the way across the state. And these cells are just slowly but surely pushing across the same region. And we've had confirmed reports of over 6 inches of rain. And these are the estimated amounts of rain that has fallen. Look at everywhere that you see red is about a half a foot of rain between that and 7 inches. So here is some potential accumulations near Brainerd. We're hearing of flooding in the area and also some roads that are being eroded away because of the rain in Stearns County. So that's another scenario that is unfolding at the present hour. So we're going to continue watching these storms, and at present we have the flash flood warning, and if we zoom out, I have meteorologist Laura Betker here helping me. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning, as you can see here, that is moving through the northern part of Chisago County, and then we have the Meeker County storm. So we'll go into the Chisago County storm, and you can see that that warning is out until 5:45. This storm in particular has produced large hail and strong winds, and there was some rotation that they were noting as well. A funnel cloud, but at present it is still a severe thunderstorm warning. It's just about to move across the St. Croix River into Wisconsin. So this is right here, 35. Here's North Branch, and this storm is moving at around 25 miles an hour to the north and east. So nothing in the metro at present, but it's just going to be a matter of hours before we will have storms here in the metro. The watch is posted until 10 o'clock, and this is one of those nights where you really need to stay tuned. Let's go to the 7-day before we close out here to show you what's happening with the weather over the next 7 days. The good news is that after tonight, things start to quiet down. We do expect that in the next few days, we have just a lot of heat around and just a few isolated thunderstorms. So